FEMEL Cranial Analysis by Neeraj, Rahul, and Pranav. So first, what you have to do is select the engineering static structure. You have to select engine that, and then you will have to using engineering data source select the what material you want. Once you select the material, you quit the engineering data source and you go to the geometry. Now the geometry has to be you can upload it from any solid software like SolidWorks. So once you upload the geometry, the geometry has to be in a particular file format. So you go import the geometry, and then you wherever you set the geometry, you create it and import it. After you import the geometry, you just have to generate it. Once it's generated, now you can check the analysis of it. So you just see the dimensions and then you press on model, double click on model. Now that you have double clicked on model, the model will take some time, it uploads. Once it uploads, you can now you can check the create the mesh. So first you check the assign the structure of it, and you also check the material used, and then now you click the solution. Now after clicking solution, you see you get a mesh. Now you go to the stress, and then now you select the course. Under course, you get choose medium. After choosing that, you can update it. Once it's updated, now you can see the updated version of it. Now what you can do is you can generate the mesh. Before that, you can force. You can act. You can put the force on whichever part of the loop you want. So now you can see, as I have done, like as we have done it, we have put the force in there and we applied it, and then after applying we are putting a certain magnitude. In this case we have put a magnitude of 800, and as you see, if you see below, a graph is generated of the nature of where and how the magnitude is getting distributed. And then now you can see it's the same thing. And then we are just making a fine tune change in dimension. After that, we are adding a force. We are now adding uh, the the analysis of the fixed support. So now the geometry of it is applied, and then we see there are five phases, and we are adding solution, and then we are adding total deformation and equivalent force material, and one is stress, and now we are solving it. Yeah, now you can see it is solved completely, and you can see the different parts, the fine tune areas and all. And you can also play it as an animation. You can see the how the analysis changes from from face to face. This is about it. These are different angles through which we are just showing the animation, and can still make some changes if you want. This is the equivalent stress we are showing. We had showed the elastic strain before, total deformation also. Thank you.